Hello everybody, welcome to a very quick introduction to an app called Drawing Pad. And this is the one here with the pencil. In Danish it's called Tegneblok, but it means the same. So Drawing Pad is a kind of digital version of making your own drawings tool. And as you can see here, when you open it, you on the left can get access to setups. It's called Indstillinger. I will not do that at the moment, but I'll instead go back to the menu. But what I will do is that I will make a very quick drawing and show you some of the features in the app. Not all of them, because there are really many possibilities in this. But the first thing I have to do is to press the green button. It says ny in Danish, but it means new. And if I press that, it opens up a digital piece of paper and it's blank. It's white, and on the left side I have various pencils that I can choose between. I have the possibility, as you can see here with the pieces of paper on the left, I have the possibility to change the background. So when I'm drawing, it will be not only on a piece of white paper, it could be on a green paper, or actually also drawings on a picture. Below the papers, you get access to some stickers that can be part of creating your drawing. So you in a way make a collage. You can see possibility of letters and so on. And this bottom here is actually a sharing button. This means that when I'm finished with the drawing, I can turn it into a picture that I can use in all sorts of other apps and so on. But I will very quickly show you a drawing where I use some of the pencils. I use a different background than the one we have now, and I put in some stickers also, just to show you how it works. So the first thing I like to change is actually the background. So I find these pieces of paper, and if I press this one, you can see it changes to here, and to black, and to yellow, and remember you can always scroll up and down. But actually I will show you a feature that I think you might have fun with later on, and that's the bottom. You can kind of see this picture down below here. If I press that one, I can choose my own backgrounds, my own photos as a background. So I'll pick this one, and then I know somewhere I have a nice view over Vejle. I think that's here, and I'll choose that one. This is from the city where we live. So this will be the background for my drawings. And then to get back to my pencils, I press on the house. That means that you always go one step back. And now I can get access to all these things here. So the first thing I would like to do is to paint some seagulls. There are always seagulls here, so I will choose this pencil here. There you go. And when you do that, you can see they have all sorts of colors, and that's how you change the color. So I'll go for a let's take a black one, I think, down here. So I choose this one, and when I try to do paintings here, you can see suddenly one seagull, another little bit silly looking seagull, and here, and should we have one more? So there you go. So and so I could continue. I could do, let's find another color. I could do more precise paintings. I could be interested in, for instance, you can see the bridge in the background. Maybe one of the, what do you call it, the pillows could be red. So let's, for the fun of it, choose this one, the red, and then zoom in a little bit closer, just to make sure that I can, there you go. So I'm drawing on that, and then let's get back. So now this looks actually quite fun in a way. So now I'm changing the paintings in a way. If I'm not satisfied with these colors here, I actually can choose, as you can see below, there's a circle with a color in. If I choose that one, I get the possibility to be more precise on which color I would like. So we could just, for the fun of it, change it to green. And then notice below the circle, you can change the darkness or the light. And the transparency. I would like it to be a little bit more less transparent, and you can see all sorts of other possibilities. So now I think we should just make a little boat. And as you can see, I'm not that good at drawing, but this is okay, right? A little bit more. There you go. And perhaps someone should sit in the boat. But then we'll use another pencil just to see how it works. So I press the house again, and it could be fun to, let's choose this pencil here. There again, you can see you choose the thickness of the pencil by simply pressing. So I'll take, the boy should be maybe a little, we could choose the gray one. And then I'll go a little bit closer, and then this was actually not that good, and this gives me a possibility to show another feature, and that is how you delete. One possibility would be, you can see the error on the top. If I press that, it will go back in the process. So that's one way. So, but let's make the mistake one more time, and then there you go. Still not very good. Then I'll press the house, and then you can see here there's an eraser. I could also use that because maybe I'm okay with some of it, but not all of it. So if I need to press one of the, there you go. There you go. You can see, and I get back to the original paper. It's ruining my book, my boat, but that's okay. So that's the other way of deleting. So let's just go back to the pencil and see if we can kind of recreate the boat anyway. So there you go. So in a way, you can kind of use all sorts of pencils and make your own drawings. As you can see, it could be from the bottom up with a white paper, or it could be like changing the design of a picture here. And then these are the kind of classical elements in drawing. And then of course you can think about this as a kind of collage. So the first thing I could put in could be these stickers. You can see them here. There are many types, from cars and ships and animals and so on. Let's see, all sorts of things. So I think football, a football in the water, that would be nice. So I choose this one, and there you can see a football in the water. And if I want it to be a little bit smaller, I squeeze it a little bit with my finger. So, and I place it down here. I think this is now actually here. There you go. So, as an example, and then I could also, I'll go back, because if I scroll down to the bottom of this, I find a stack of pictures. This bottom here means that I could choose an extra picture to put in. So let's just find a very quick one. I think let's just take the one with the robot here. There you go. It's not that it doesn't look that great, but let's for the fun of it see if we can actually, there you go, place the robot near the football, and then I'll zoom into the robot, and then I'll go back and use the eraser. So let's see if this works. It actually doesn't. So anyway, it's only usable when you do drawings, so we can't erase on the picture. But let's go back. So now you can see it's not the most pretty picture, but I have a picture where I have been drawing things. I'm putting stickers in. I have used a photo of a robot, so on. And let's just press the one with the letters here also, just to see what that is. This gives me a possibility to actually write in something. I'll simply write Vejle, because this is where I am. There you go, and I press here, and you can see I get this. I can put it over here if I like. I could change it again, by pressing there, and I could actually change the type of letters, because this is a little bit boring. Let's choose something more fun up here. I wanted something old-fashioned style. Let's choose this one here. And then, yeah, there you go. And I could change the color up here. Instead of green, it could be like that. I like that color. And then, now, I have this one also here. So, this is a really fun tool. You can kind of create stuff. You can then share it as a picture and use it in a book you've been doing and so on, or you can print it and then do old style painting on the print also, things like that. So but the final thing I'd like to show to you then in this short tutorial is how to share. You can see the button here on the left in the middle. If I press that, it opens up all sorts of places where I could save it, and by using this one down below left, I will actually save it in my camera roll. And now, just to go back to the camera roll to show you, it's actually here. And this means that I could go into a book creator, book, then I have, create one here, say it's new, this one, and then actually find my little picture. There you go. And now I have actually started my own painting book in a way. So let's get back to Drawing Pad. It has many other features. Dig into it, play around with it, see how it works. That's it for now.